Join us for today's video as we take a drive around England's peaceful Peak District.
Oh god. I promise I know how to go. Okay, ready for adventure?
Yeah, going to pick up our Mini Cooper now. In a Mini Cooper. So the company we're hiring from is called Retro Mini Hire, and I discovered them last year, I think it was November. I went to the NEC car show in Birmingham, and you can hire their classic Mini for the day or for the weekend.
1 minute away.
I'm excited! Yeah. Under the arch, there was no arch. No, I can't see no Mini.
Can you see an arch though?
No! I can't see the Mini, is it?
Yeah? Through this arch? No?
No.
No, that's a garage.
It's dead end. This arch.
Oh, this arch.
Ah!
Hello.
Yeah.
Trading one Mini for another. Meet Matilda, the beautiful classic Mini Cooper on hire to us for the day. 1.3 litres of great British motor design with a style inspired by the Italian job. But first, an introduction.
You press one on the other and you see the light goes off.
Yeah.
At that point you can start it.
Oh, fun.
Oh god.
I promise I know how to go.
Don't worry,
It's absolutely fine. If you need anything, just text or call.
Yeah, definitely.
Appreciate
Thank you.
that. Thank you. Turn forward in my seat.
Yeah, we're in the Mini Cooper. God, it's really hot in here.
Yeah, I'm going to pull up in about a minute.
Oh my god, the door's just... The door just got undone. I'm dying in the
It's so
seat.
hot. Okay.
Yay.
I need to move the chair.
You look at your arms.
Okay, that's great. Should pull up behind this person's car.
Yeah, let's pull up here.
I think that's as far back as it goes, right?
I think so, yeah. So you want it further back?
As far back as you can.
Ah, okay. That's how far it goes. You
Lovely.
know?
Wait, did I want to move my seat back or forwards?
Forwards.
Why did I move it back?
I don't know.
Well, you help me.
I was confused why you wanted to do it, but I didn't question you. Try that. They probably filmed you going. It's hard to keep this camera still. Wow! Here we go.
You have to decide that you want to brake.
Yeah, oh, look at this
Two
road.
Business days.
Business days.
As long as we break by next Tuesday.
Look at it! It sounds so cool.
Sounds so good.
Wee, it's nippy, right? It feels really nippy.
silly, but can you look on the gear stick and tell me if there's a 5th gear?
No, there's only 4.
Okay, that's worth knowing.
It's like you're in reverse. Now we go forward. It does look like you're in reverse, I'm not even joking. We toured around the rolling hills of the Peak District. Starting in Ashbourne, our first stop was Ramblers Retreat, then on for ice cream at Tagg Lane Dairy, before we visited the famous Winnats Pass.
What's brilliant about this car is it's so hard to see out of these tiny little mirrors. I don't know how long the queue is behind me.
I just looked behind and there's a queue, there's a queue.
Wow,
Look at this little
place.
village. It's good that we've got a tiny car. Feels like we're just rolling down in neutral.
We are. I've got my foot on the brake, nearly on full.
Don't, oh no.
That's literally my brake, almost as hard as I can push it.
Oh my god.
For all you Americans, this is a 2-way road. So, we are fast approaching Ramblers Retreat.
No parking sensors.
Beep, 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 beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Let's get out and get some fresh air.
These are the 2 routes we've got to take, they've offered to us. We are going to go from here, we'll cut back up here, nice route, round to the top, back down. Can you tell how confused I am?
Yeah, why not? Go for it.
Now, your task is to work out how to turn the bloody lights on.
Okay, well I think it's one of these here.
Press it.
I'm scared it might be like the full beams. Oh wait.
Okay. Press it.
Wait, did you do that?
Yeah, I did that, sorry.
What?
Sorry, I just pressed the one.
It does feel like we're in a go-kart.
Go-kart, that's exactly it, isn't it?
Really in the countryside now, aren't we?
Yeah. Okay, this is our first 3-point turn.
Oh
in
no.
the Mini. Hey, flashed us.
I love that. Oh, I'm going to be sad when we have to give her back.
Yeah, let's not. Let's keep this one. They can keep my other Mini.
So we're on our way to Tagg Dairy, which I assume is a lot of dairy food.
Not good for me, lactose intolerant.
Wait, is this the car park?
I don't know.
Where is the car park? Maybe it's over there. Hey, let's go get some dairy in here. Ollie's gonna his pants.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to take this.
What is it?
Lactaid. Wish me luck.
Look at this. Let's go.
That was fresh, wasn't it? That's
Yeah,
nice.
you could tell it was fresh. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Everyone says that Mini Coopers are absolutely tiny inside, but it doesn't feel tiny inside. Well, for us anyway, because Ollie's already got a Mini Cooper.
We're tiny people.
Ollie, I'm actually burning
Yeah,
in here.
I know.
I'm burning right now. Can we just like?
Run the window down.
I need some fresh air.
I think you're going to say, Ollie, I'm cold in about
No,
40 seconds. You're going to say it.
no, I'm not.
There are some beautiful views here, though.
Yeah, it makes me want to live here. I am a bit cold now.
Yeah, no, I told you. I told you you'd say
And
it.
my hair's everywhere.
Okay, you ready for some rally driving?
Yeah, I do it. Put it down all the way.
Wow, look at that. So this is it, Di. This is Winnats Pass.
Whoa, look at this deep bike.
Wow. Oh my God, there's people up there.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at this.
There's people climbing up there. Bloody hell. This is beautiful. Oh, looks like it's gonna rain.
So our next stop is going to be the one you are dying to go to. Any guesses what it is?
No.
It's a toilet. I am dying too. Bloody hell, find me a
Look,
toilet.
there's a golden retriever.
Hey,
Oh my god, he's so cute.
look at this place.
It's such a cute
Okay.
car.
This is cute. Peace stop. We stopped off at the appropriately named Castleton.
Oh yeah, and we're also going to go and get some lunch because I'm starving and I haven't eaten anything.
42 different fillings. So, go on, point now. Got to do it.
How cute is this? Oh my god. Look at that little car. Look how cute this is. Can't get over how cute. Look.
So, we're almost at the end of our journey now. I reckon it's time for you to take over.
Yeah.
Pull in shortly. You up for taking over here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Comfortable? You
Yeah.
can move the chair if you want. We're clear in front as well. Okay. Yes, look at you. This is Diana. Go on. Oh my god. It's fast, isn't it? There's no suspension, is there?
Ah! Oh, I don't know what's fine. I'm swearing too much. I'm just in third gear.
Yeah, just sticking with it.
Sorry, it literally feels like I'm go-karting right now. I forgot that I need to breathe.
Yeah, breathe. It's fun though, isn't it?
Yeah, Oh, Ollie, I've stalled.
That's okay.
Help.
Clutch. Yeah.
Ollie,
Stalled
Ollie.
again. That's okay. Clutch in. Right.
Help.
Slow down. Reduce speed now.
Okay, I'm boosting my speed.
Yeah.
Sorry. Am I making you even more anxious? Oh, sorry, didn't see that. I like the sound of it.
Sounds good, doesn't
I
it?
don't want to go up again. Wheel spin. Oh my god, I need deodorant. Wow, look at this stretch of road.
Wow.
We're just rolling now, we are.
I know, that's the bit, it rolls fast.
Am I on the right side of the road?
Yeah.
Can you take over, please?
Yeah, lovely.
Oh my god, my hand.
So sweaty. That's a sweaty hand.
Thank you, Ollie. Let me have
Okay.
a go. Where's the time? And how far are we? 33 minutes. Oh my god, it's so
Did you
hot.
push the chair forward?
Yeah. Hug me, you're heavy. It's forward, it went forward. Is that okay?
Let's go.
Let's go and return it.
Okay, the final stretch. Through the arches. Hey, we made it.
I think I've got everything.
Oh yeah.
So we're currently going to the Bluebell Inn for dinner, which was recommended to us.
What's your favourite bit?
My favourite bit was when I got to drive the Mini Cooper.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
I did. It's taken years off my life.
Oh, am I a bit too aggressive for you?
I've-
Too confident? Oh, we're here already. Please like, comment and subscribe, and if you'd like to hire Matilda too, we have a link below in the description.